LinkedIn company pages now have a way of connecting your blog or your podcast using an RSS feed. So let's go and look and see exactly how that looks. Okay, so we're on LinkedIn and we're going across to the company page, which is here on the right hand side. And we're looking at the company page in admin view. So scroll down to your settings here, and this is not a premium feature. I just happen to have it so far. So on your settings, you can see manage content sharing, which is add your external content sources or make changes to your current sources. So let's click on the arrow over here. And now you see manage sources. So simplify your workflow by sharing your content from RSS feeds to your page. So if we click on this, you'll see that I have already added in my company blog. And this title is just for me, so it doesn't really matter. No one else will see it. Categories can be YouTube, podcast, and other. So let's just switch it up. Let's do YouTube. So to add your YouTube RSS feed to your LinkedIn, let's go, because I did it initially thinking you just linked your YouTube URL. That is incorrect. So what we want to do is use this information here. So that is your beginning of your RSS feed, and then go to your YouTube channel, and on your YouTube channel settings, you'll get your channel ID. So in advanced settings, go to channel ID, click copy, go back to LinkedIn on here. I'm going to type in my channel ID here, and then we're going to go up here and click add. And let's see, is this going to work? Okay, and now we can see that this has worked because we have the green tick for YouTube. So the next step is to add a new video to YouTube. It shows up in your notifications. You have a new RSS post available from. Review it and share it to your page. Now, how much easier is this going to be than going in and manually doing this? I think this is a great addition to company pages. So let me know if you have the RSS feed. I believe for now I can only add one RSS feed. So I've chosen I have to choose between the company blog and the YouTube channel. So as with everything, I will test these for a series of maybe 30 days and see what's getting me most traction. Let me know in the comments below what you're doing.